Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Kia Sorento 2010 to 2015? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Kia Sorento 2010 to 2013 contains high amperage multi-fuses and standard fuses that protect vital systems like the alternator, ABS, ECU, cooling fans, and headlights. In the 2010 Kia Sorento RHD UK model, the engine compartment fuse box houses multi-fuses and standard fuses that safeguard essential systems such as the alternator, ABS, ECU, cooling fans, and headlights. In the Kia Sorento 2014 to 2015, the engine compartment fuse box integrates high-capacity multi-fuses and standard fuses to protect key systems, including the alternator, ABS, ECU, cooling fans, and headlights. In the 2015 Kia Sorento RHD UK model, the engine compartment fuse box contains multi-fuses and standard fuses that protect critical systems such as the alternator, ABS, ECU, cooling fans, and headlights. In models with a diesel engine, the engine compartment fuse box is equipped with dedicated multi-fuses and standard fuses that safeguard components specific to diesel operation, such as the glow plug system, fuel heater, ECU, ABS, and cooling fans. Instrument panel fuse box. In the Kia Sorento 2010 to 2013, the instrument panel fuse box manages and protects in-cabin electrical systems such as the audio unit, interior lighting, power windows, mirrors, and accessory outlets. In the 2010 Kia Sorento RHD UK model, the instrument panel fuse box protects and distributes power to interior systems, including the audio unit, interior lights, power windows, mirrors, and accessory outlets. In the Kia Sorento 2014 to 2015, the instrument panel fuse box controls and protects essential interior electrical functions, such as the audio system, the interior lighting, power windows, mirrors, and accessory outlets. In the 2015 Kia Sorento RHD UK model, the instrument panel fuse box safeguards and distributes power to interior systems such as the audio unit, interior lighting, power windows, mirrors, and accessory outlets. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.